Good morning. Today is Thursday. It's going to be another very hot day here in Missouri. Therefore, we shall try to make today a shorter day outside. It's a little bit earlier. I'm trying to get an early start. Try to beat the heat. Today what we got to do is we need to go over to Grandpa and Grandma's place, clean up those piles of dirt that the contractor is dumping there. Just neaten that up a little bit. And we also need to fix their road because them trucking all that material down there is kind of ruining their road. So their road is just gravel. It's never really been done right. So it's a constant maintenance nightmare. It's going to continue to be a constant maintenance nightmare for now, but in the future I think my dad and I are going to put the effort into making that road a little bit more durable. Okay, we made it over to the ranch. There's all that dirt. We're going to try to consolidate some of that into that bigger pile today. The road's pretty messed up, but my car was still able to make it down here. Right now what we're doing is we're warming up the Massey, doing a little bit of maintenance on it. Nothing big, just preventative. We noticed that one of the tires was a little soft feeling, so check the PSI, and one of the rears is at 30, which is okay, and the other side is at 21, so that's a little low. We're going to fill it up real quick, and then we should be ready to boogie. Okay, we're going to start working on the road here, trying to get the thing kind of leveled out a little bit better so there's not so many deep potholes. Grandpa was nice and ran and got me some hot coffee to cool me down on this 90-degree day. Well, it's always something. This barrel that we use for a counterweight on the back of that rock rake fell off. So we're going to move the tractors to flatter ground and reattach it. Okay, got that all fixed up. We're looking good now. Time to go rake the road. grace. Big thing to move. Okay, it is currently 3 p.m. Kind of ended up being a full day anyways, which was okay. It's very hot. It's 91 degrees. Not quite as humid as the past few days, so it's tolerable. I did not get to film it, but I ended up doing a oil change on the tractor. I was supposed to do that 15 hours ago on the machine, but you get to those things when you can get to them, right? That's going to do it for me for today. Not a crazy productive day in terms of filming. It's a little bit harder to do that when I'm working solo, but nonetheless, hope you enjoyed the video. We're going to have more videos coming up from that big job site probably in the next few days, and we will see you then. Until then, thank you very much for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us out. We're a new company in Missouri, although we have many years of experience from Massachusetts and other states as well. But we are new in Missouri, and we're really trying to get our business rolling here. So if you could refer us to a friend and give us a shout out whenever you can, it goes a long ways. Well, take it easy.